Welcome to this technical guide on the ASUS A53S. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your ASUS A53S only charges when you hold the cable at a certain angle, you're likely dealing with a faulty charging connector. This is a common issue that can arise from wear and tear or damage to the port. If not addressed promptly, it could lead to more significant problems, including your laptop not charging at all, which can affect your usage and productivity. For this repair, you'll need a set of precision screwdrivers, a plastic spudger, a pair of tweezers, and a replacement charging connector compatible with the ASUS A53S. Begin by ensuring your laptop is powered off and unplugged. To open the device safely, flip your ASUS A53S over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Using a Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws, keeping them in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel with the plastic spudger, taking care to avoid damaging any clips or connectors. Now, with the back panel removed, locate the charging connector on the motherboard. It will be near the power input area. You may need to disconnect a few cables to gain clear access. Take your time and be cautious not to pull too hard on any wires. After identifying the faulty connector, use your precision screwdriver to remove the screws holding it in place. Remember to note where each screw goes, as they can vary in size. Carefully lift the charging connector out of its socket and set it aside. Now, take your new charging connector and align it with the socket. Gently press it into place, ensuring it sits securely. Replace the screws you previously removed, applying a moderate amount of pressure to secure the connector without over-tightening. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Next, reconnect any cables you had to disconnect earlier, ensuring they are securely in place. Once everything is back in order, carefully replace the back panel of the ASUS A53S and reinsert the screws to secure it. Power on your device and plug in the charger to test if the issue has been resolved. If it charges without needing to hold the cable at an angle, you've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from recurring, avoid using excessive force when plugging in or unplugging your charger, and regularly check for dust or debris in the charging port, which can cause connection issues. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.